a way that you can figure out an average number of characters per line when you have a setting in InDesign. So here is my setting of text, and I'm going to go under Window and Info. Now you can see in the arrow, I've got the arrow key, and you can see that this tells me where my cursor is in the X and Y, but it also tells me the width and the height of my column. I can switch units over here if I want to see how many picas it is wide. Well, right now it's 21 picas and a little bit. But if I go to my type key and I put my cursor in there, you can see, it might take a second to come up, but you can see that in this column of text I have 2,632 characters, 503 words, and 43 lines. So what I want to do, what you would want to do, is you would want to grab your calculator and you would say, okay, I have 2,600, I'm doing this now, 32 characters, and I'm going to divide by the number of lines, not the number of words. And what I get is 61, about 61 characters per line. And if you remember that the sweet spot is anywhere between 40 and 60, 61 is not a problem. It's still well within that range. So this is a nice, width to line to character count relationship. If I have a much wider setting here, then you see now I have the same number of characters, but I'm dividing it by 30 lines. So 2632 divided by 30 lines. Now you can see I get a character count of almost 88 characters per line, which you should be able to see is too much. So that's it. Use the info palette to kind of double check yourself until you can trust your eye.